Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel glossary। सो आज हम करेंगे सिंपल बेस सिंपल आई मेकअप। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड वीडियो को लाइक करें। सो फर्स्टली वी विल अप्लाई द प्राइमर। आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द प्राइमर वी विल apply the moisturizer. After moisturizer we will hide our dark circles with the orange corrector and we will blend it nicely, and after that we will do our eye makeup. So these are the shade which I am using for my eye. Firstly I will fill my eyebrows with dark brown shade. Not fill too much, and obviously use the brush to blend it properly. Now applying concealer over my eyebrows to give it a natural and fine look. After eyebrow is done, then we will blend our foundation with the help of beauty blenders. After blending the foundation properly, now we will apply concealer to our under eyes and forehead and on nose, little bit above the eyebrows as well, and blend it properly. After that, set with the compact powder or with the loose powder. Here I am setting it with compact powder. Now I am starting my eye makeup using very light brown shade, blending it properly. Now curling my eyelashes with this beautiful curler. After this I will apply mascara to my upper eye lid and lower lash line as well. After applying the mascara we will go with a smoky wing liner kind of effect. Not much dark, not very light, medium सा हम इसे रखेंगे because you can carry this look to day wedding as well. It looks so classy and so beautiful, as you all already can see. Now applying much pencil with help of pencil eyeliner. I am applying it to my wing eyeliner to give it a proper define. Now on lower lash line I am using my light brown shade, and inner corners पे and eyebrows में just put highlighter and you are ready. I hope आपको लुक अच्छा लगा होगा. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.